In embedded processors that don't have memory protection, the biggest risk from stack overflow is memory corruption. Simply put, if the stack gets too big and exceeds the space allocated for it, it can stomp on other memory. This stomping is likely to hit statically allocated variables and global variables. Depending on your system's memory layout, it can also corrupt real-time operating system data structures, which can do nasty things to your operating system. If you've worked with small micros, you've probably had the experience that stack overflow causes a system crash. But that's not the worst thing that can happen. Rather, memory corruption can instead cause the death of tasks in a multitasking system, or can otherwise alter task control blocks. Further, it could leave you vulnerable to security exploits via intentionally overflowing the stack to gain access to operating system variables.